King 1. Interactive Smartboard Specialist. Check the packaging at first. Cut the packaging tape. Remove the white buckle.
Take out the pearl curtain.
Check accessories and wall brackets. Place the machine on the box. Fix the wall mount vertical bar. Tighten the fixing screws. Fix the wall mount crossbeam on the wall. Hang the machine on the crossbeam. Fix the mobile bracket vertical bar. Tighten the fixing screws. Hang the machine on the mobile stand. Confirm that the power switch is on.
Press the power on button.
Power on to check it. If you have issues,
please contact us.
King 1. Interactive boards make work more efficient.